Hello guys, welcome back to channel. I just opened the ETABS and in the previous class we done the modeling. Okay, modeling part is completed in the previous class. What we do in the previous class, we define the materials, we define the section properties like column, beam, and slab, and we assign these properties to the structure, and then we assign the supports. Okay, so modeling part is done. Then next part is about the loading. Okay, load patterns and all. First, I will tell you if you did not watch my previous video, so please watch that. Either you will not understand the concept. Okay, this is a class 2 actually. So we will see the loading pattern. Okay, what kind of loading is applied on this building, like dead load, a live load, wind load, and earthquake load. But earthquake load and wind load we will see in the upcoming videos. Because that is a deep concept. First, we will see the dead load and live loads. Okay, so here you see in the define tab, go to define. Here is a load pattern option. Just go into it, and here you see dead load and live load. It is a default. You can see we need to add some loads like wall load because on the structure we did not draw the walls, but the wall will come on the structure, so we need to give the wall loads. And one more load will come on this floors that will your floor finish load. Okay, floor finish plus ceiling plaster load. So we need to add that because these are also dead loads. So here I will give the name that is floor finish plus ceiling plaster. Okay, and that comes under my super dead load. Okay, this is also dead load. So we will define not only dead, we will define it in the super dead load. So add new load, and now one more load we will add. That is our wall load. That is also come under super dead, and just add new load. And here is the dead. Here is the self multiplier is one for the dead load. Why it is one? Because let's consider this building have the 1000 kilonewton load. So if we multiply by 1000 into 1, that will be 1000. That is simple. That means the what kind of load this building have, like these columns, walls, columns, beams, and the slabs. These all the properties have their own self weight. We did not calculate that. ETABS will calculate that itself. We did not need to calculate and give to value to ETABS. Okay, how it will calculate because we already defined the section properties here in the frame section. We define the column beam size already. Okay, and also we define the slab. So ETABS will calculate that self weight. Okay, that's why that multiplier is one. I will go to define load pattern, and here you see uh, we did not done. Okay, I think we will do again. Load finish. With ceiling plaster that comes under super dead, add new load, then wall load, add new load. So here you see the multiplier one. Why this I already tell you. Okay, because it has calculate the self weight of these members like column beam and column beam and slabs. Okay, because we already define the properties. Okay, uh, define such properties like dead load, live load, load finish, wall load, and just click on OK. Okay, so we define the load patterns, but we need to assign that loads to the structure. Okay, so how I will do? Let's consider, and one more important thing I will tell you. Uh, Here you see the this is my plinth level. Here will be also wall count. This is my first floor, this second, third. Okay, and this is my terrace floor. So on the terrace floor, wall will be only parapet wall. Okay, on the external walls, the wall will be parapet and that side will be 1 meter only. So its wall load will be less as compared to these walls because the floor to floor height is 3 meter. Okay, so here wall load will be more as compared to this parapet wall. Okay, so uh, how can we apply it easily? There is one concept. If I go to right click on the here and add modify grids, just go to here and modify show story data. So uh, if we make a similar stories, here is a concept of the similar stories. If we do the similar concept, similar stories, then what will happen? We can easily give the loads very quickly. We did not go to each and every floor and apply the loads. Here you see, third floor is my terrace floor. Here is the option of master story and similar story. You can make one story to the master and other are similar to that story. Okay, so third floor is my parapet. Parapet wall will become, this is my terrace floor. So what I will do, I will not make it master story. I will do here no. This is my second floor. This is my second floor here. Okay, second, first, and this is my ground floor. So wall will load will become similar because walls are having a 3 meter here. So what I will do, I will make a ground floor master story. Yes. Okay. Now second floor becomes my master story, and first floor and the ground floor I will similar to the second floor. Here I will do in similar to second floor. Okay. Now what will happen? It becomes similar. So when I will apply load on second floor or first floor or ground floor, any floor, one of them, then that load will be applied on these three floors. Okay. Second, first, and ground. And plinth will be you can also add to this, but plinth load does not have those slabs, so I will not make it similar. Second, first, and ground floor is my similar story right now, because second floor I did a master, yes, and first floor similar to the second, and ground floor similar to the second. Okay, now just refresh view and click on ok. Click on ok. Okay, so what I will do now, we used to apply the floor finish plus ceiling plaster load. And always remember, floor finish plus ceiling plaster load will become on your floors. Okay, because we do that, apply the tiling on the floors. Okay, and ceiling plaster, that's mean plaster on the our slabs. That will also apply on the slabs. So floor finish plus ceiling plaster and live load come on your floors, and the wall loads will become on your beams. Okay, so what I will do, I will make here the similar stories. If I choose here similar stories, because we make the similar stories right now. So I'm on the base right now. I will use upper key, upper arrow, and I will come to the ground floor. Because ground floor, first floor, and second floor are my similar stories. Then what kind of load I will apply here? That will apply to these three stories. Okay. So I will just select the slabs. Okay. Here you see only three floor slab is going to select in the 3D, because we do here similar stories. Then just select the slabs. Okay, these three floor slabs are selected. Then here is option of the assign. Just go to assign. Here is option of the shell loads. In the ETABS, uh, it called shells to the slabs. Okay, so go to shell loads, go to uniform, and select from here. That is our floor finish plus ceiling plaster load. Okay, just select this name, and direction should be gravity. And what kind of load is coming on your floor? Floor finish plus ceiling plaster, I will give the load that is 2 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, it is generally 1.5 to 2 kilonewton. If you read the dashboard, you will see this value. Okay, I am taking 2 kilonewton load for floor finish plus ceiling plaster, and just click on apply and okay. So here you see the values up to. So this is applied to my these three stories. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to the my top story, terrace floor. Okay, I will use upper arrow. This is my third floor. That's my terrace. Here you see I selected the slab, and slab is selected only of the one roof, because here is the option of similar stories, but and top terrace floor is not included in the similar story. Okay, so I just select the slabs, and I will go to assign shell loads, uniform, and floor finish plus ceiling plaster. But here I will do 1.5 value. Okay, because on the terrace there will not be tiling. Okay, it's just a slab, and there is a maybe you can do a brick pad. Okay, so load is less as compared to the other floors. If you are doing brick pad, then you can take a 2 kilonewton 2 kilonewton load as well if you want to take, but I am just considering 1.5 kilonewton on the terrace floor. Okay, so I just apply and okay. Here you see 1.5 kilonewton is load is applied on my terrace floor. Okay, and on the plinth level and base we do not need to add because there is no slabs. Okay, now the floor load is completed. That's when our floor finish and ceiling plaster, but still a live load is remains. So what I will do, I will select this slab again. So here you see the slab is selected only on the terrace floor because live load is also different for the different floors. Okay, this is my terrace floor. Live load will be less as compared to these floors. So I just select these floors and go to assign shell loads, uniform, and select here now live load. Okay, on the my terrace floor, live load is less. Just I will take 1 kilonewton, apply, and okay. Okay, here you see the value. 1 kilonewton load is applied to my terrace floor. Now I want to apply on these three stories. So I just come by the down arrow, and here you see I'm on the second floor right now, and I just select the slabs, and slabs are selected of these three floors because the similar stories option is activated. I will go to assign shell load, uniform. I will select here live load, and I will give the load of 2 kilonewton. Okay. Now, if you read the IS code, I will show you in the upcoming lectures. But now just understand 2 kilonewton load is will applied on this floors. Okay, and just click on apply. And okay, so live load and floor finish loads are applied on our floors. Now we need to apply the wall loads. Okay, I am on the second floor right now. Similar storage option is already selected. I will go to assign. Here is the frame load option because we have called columns and beams frame. Okay, so now we will apply the wall loads, and that will come on my beams and beams called frames by the ETABS. So just go to frame and distributed load. Our wall load is uniformly distributed load. Always remember. So we are using distributed and select from here, that is wall load. Okay, wall load is selected, and I will apply my external walls are the 9 inches, that is 230 mm. Okay, and the internal walls will be 4.5 inches. Let's consider 4 inches. So that's wall will be that's load count will be 7.5 kilonewton, and the parapet wall will be my 1 meter on the terrace floor. Its load will be 4.6 kilonewton. I will tell you how to calculate the wall loads in the upcoming lectures. Just now, just try to understand these loads, how to apply the loads. Okay, wall loads. Then I will do 12 kilonewton for my external walls. Okay, apply. Sorry. Here you see no selected objects were found because we did not select any kind of beams. So I just close it, and I'm on the second floor, and similar storage option is selected here. First I need to select the beam. I will select my external beams. Here you see the three floors beams are selected because similar storage option is created. Selected. I just select the external beams. Okay, here you see my external beams are selected. Now I will assign the load for the external walls. External wall is my 230 mm, that is 9 inches, and internal wall is 4 inches. So load will be varied. Okay, so I just select the external walls now. Walls means it's a beam, external beams. So go to assign frame load distributed and select your wall load and 12 kilonewton per meter. That is my external wall loads will come on this external beams. Just apply and okay. So here you see 12, 12, 12. So 12 kilonewton of load is applied on my external beams. Now I will select the internal beams. If slab is selected, just click on it again, it will deselect. Okay, just select the beams. So my internal beams are selected of these three floors only. Now I will go to assign frame load distributed wall load selected, and I will do a 7.5 kilonewton load for my internal walls because their thickness is less. Apply and OK. So here you see 7.5, 7.5. So loads on the internal wall is applied. Now I will go to terrace floor because here will be my parapet wall that is of the 1 meter. Okay, so I will go to terrace, that is my third floor actually. Okay, you see, I'm on the third floor right now. I will see the external beams only because the parapet wall will become on the external very only. So I just select my external beams. Here you see, here you see in the 3D as well. Only my the terrace floor external beams are selected. Now I will go to assign frame load distributed and wall load selected, and I will use 4.5 kilonewton per meter. That is wall load of my 1 meter wall. Okay, and I will show you how to calculate in upcoming lectures. I will just click apply and okay. So the all loads are applied, guys. Floor finish plus ceiling plaster also applied, live load applied, and wall loads are also applied. If you want to see that loads are applied or not, so here is the option. You will see display frame load assigns. Just click on it and select here wall loads. Okay, just apply and okay. So here you see 4.5 kilonewton load is on my terrace parapet wall. Here you see the 12 kilonewton on the external walls, and here you see 7.5 on the internal side. Okay, so all these loads are applied. You can see if you want to see the live load and floor finish load. So here is the option display shell loads. Just click on it, and from here you select floor finish plus ceiling plaster and click on apply and okay. So here you see 1.5 kilonewton on the terrace, 2 kilonewton on the remaining floors. If you want to see the live load, same display shell load assigns. Here live load option, apply okay. Here you see live load on the my terrace floor is 1 and the remaining floors are live load is 2 kilonewton. So this is how you can apply the loads. Okay. So this is done. Loading is done. Right now we will see the load combination, because if you read the IS 456 2000 there will be load combinations. Uh, there is a LSM method, that is limit state of method, and there is two methods in that. There is a limit state of collapse and limit state of serviceability. Okay, and 1.5 is a factor of safety. Uh, so I will go to define, and here is a load combination option. Just go into it and needs to add the new combo, or you can add default design combo. But I will take add new combo right now. So just go into it and make the combo. That is first I will put a dead load plus live load only. Okay, this is the factor of safety will be 1 because this is my limit state of serviceability. I will tell you these all things in the upcoming lectures. Don't be confused. So dead load, add. I will select the live load, add. Load finish plus ceiling plaster, add. And wall load 1, add. Okay. So these all 4 loads are applied, and scale factor will be 1. That is limit state of serviceability. Just click on OK. And now I will add one more combination. I will take add a copy of combination, and here what I will do 1.5 into dead load plus live load. 1.5 is a factor of safety limits for the limit state of collapse. Okay, I will just make values here 1.5 and 1.5. Okay, so this is factor of safety. Just click on OK. So these two combinations are added here. Okay, and then just click on OK. Now we will check the model. Our model is right or no. There is some mistakes in the building or not. We will see that in our structure. So here is the analyze option. Just click on it and click on check model. Okay, and you can increase the tolerance. I will just 5 mm and select these all things and just click on OK. So here you see on the left side it will check the model. Here you see it is checking the model. If there is errors in the model, then it will show you. Just wait a minute. Here you see the warning. Model has been checked. and no warning messages were generated. That's mean our model is safe. We did not make any mistakes while designing. Okay, so this is the we completed this lecture, guys. We what we did in this lecture, we did the loading patterns. We apply all the loads, we assign the loads, and we already assign the load combinations as well. And by analyzing, we check the model. Our model is safe. Okay, so we will see. Stay tuned for the next lecture. We will see the analysis of the structure in the upcoming lectures. Okay, so I will just end this video.